गोंय मंत्रिमंडळान सरकारी खर्चान कपात करपाच्या नदरेन कांय निर्णय घेतल्यात। तातूंत सरकारी कार्यालयान लागपी सामान विकते घेवपा पासून ते मंत्र्यांच्या हायफाय फॉरेन टुरांचोय आस्पाव आसा। डिसेंबर 2020 मेरेन नवीन खर्च करपाचो आसल्यार संबंधीत खात्याक मुखेलमंत्र्याची परवानगी घेवची पडटली, अशें मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान मंत्रिमंडळ बसके उपरांत पत्रकारांक म्हायती दिल्या।
Rationalization of the expenditure due to the current COVID-19 crisis in the state. First, the defer the expenditure sanction for all the capital works and which have been granted administrative approval for all the state government departments, autonomous bodies, state PSUs, local bodies till December 2020, except the one which is partly or wholly funded by the central government or deposit work. Second, defer the recruitment of all the government department and autonomous bodies, state PSUs, local bodies receiving the grant from the state up to the December 2020. Defer the project-specific borrowing of all the government department, autonomous bodies, state PSUs, local bodies till December 2020. Ban on the foreign tours, non-essential domestic tours funded by the state government till December 2020. Compulsory travel by economic class for all elected representatives, officials of the government department, autonomous bodies, state PSUs, local bodies while travelling by air till December 2020. Defer the hiring and outsources of the vehicles, the new only, the old contract will continue. Ban on the purchase of the items, furniture, cupboards and all the electrical equipment, computer printers, okay, photocopiers, xerox, air conditioners, telephone instrument machines and office vehicle staffs. For any expenditure required to be carried out in the respect of the above mentioned work items and due to urgency, prior administrative approval of the Chief Minister and shall be taken by justifying the proposal in details. Thereafter the proposal shall be referred to the Finance Department for the expenditure sanction. हाच्या व्यतिरिक्त आम्ही सगळ्या आमदारांचो म्हणजे 30% ऑफ द सॅलरीज ही एका वर्सा खातीर, इट इज नॉट फॉर द 1 month बट एका वर्सा खातीर जी आसा ही CM रिलीफ फंडाक गेल्ली आसा। ताज्या भायर हाऊस बिल्डींग एडवांस जे 2% रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्टान आमदाराकूय मेळटालें तें कट करून, म्हणजे ताजो प्रपोजल मूव जाला, अजून फायनलायज जावंक ना, म्हणजे सेक्रेटरीच्यान येवपाचो आसा। इट इज एट पार विथ तो थोडोसो तो उरला प्रोसेस, इट इज कमिंग एट पार विथ द बँक रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट। तो प्रोसेस उरला बट इट इज इन प्रोसेस, तें सुरू आसा।